Hey friends, if you wish to enable ads tracking prevention for enhanced privacy, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's what we can do in this case. First of all, open Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select settings from the menu. Now go to privacy search and services and then click on tracking prevention. You will have to turn this switch on. Okay, and then you can choose whether you want basic, balanced or strict. Okay, I would choose basic because I think tracking prevention is mostly allowed in this case. But if you are really conscious, then you can select this one. Strict is too strict. It will not even allow you to open many websites, and parts of many websites will not work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.